Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another edition of Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. Big shout out to LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Make sure you check out LATOKEN.com and also check us out on VCTV here in just a few minutes as we bring investors together to break down the topics I'm about to run through, as this industry is going crazy right now. So let's jump right into some of the biggest news that dropped yesterday after Blockchain and Crypto Today. And that was Coinbase's S1 filing and general outlook for not just the rest of 2020, but what they have already achieved in the first quarter of 2021. So what are some of the big hits and the big headlines that you need to know around that S1? First off, verified users, the total number of users with Coinbase accounts we have seen now went from 43 million at the end of 2020 to 56 million at the end of Q1 2021. So we saw an increase of 13 million users verified on Coinbase with brand new Coinbase accounts in the first 3 months of this year. Next, active users on Coinbase. So these are individuals that are active, engaging with the platform, had jumped from 2.8 million in Q4, again, of last year, to 6.1 million in this first quarter of 2021. Trading volumes topped $335 billion in Q1. For the entire year of 2020, we saw $193 billion. So we saw almost 2x the amount of trading volume done in the first quarter of 2021 than we did all of 2020. And then lastly, total assets on Coinbase's platform increased from 90 billion to 223 billion, nearly 150% increase quarter over quarter. Why do you need to know this? The industry is moving forward, and we have now real tangible data from one of the earliest companies and largest companies in the industry. Pay attention to how this develops and rolls out over the rest of the year and affects the industry as a whole. Next up, Fidelity, Square, Coinbase, and other financial firms have come together to launch a Bitcoin trade group to focus on shaping the way Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are regulated. The group, known as the Crypto Council for Innovation, or the CCI, will lobby policymakers, take up research projects, and serve as an industry voice in championing the economic benefits of digital currencies and its related technologies. And lastly, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, continue to be in the headlines every day this week and almost all quarter this year here in 2021. Today, we had McDonald's releasing iconic menus like menu items, like the Big Mac and others as NFTs. We also had Playboy making announcements they would be working with Gemini and Nifty Gateway on releasing a whole series of NFTs. And then NFL players have continued to expand their entrance into this market with news from Tampa Bay's quarterback, Tom Brady, launching an entire NFT service company called Autograph. And then following his announcement, the Manning brothers, Eli and Peyton Manning, quarterbacks in their day, now retired, will also be launching an entire NFT collection as well, with all of their proceeds going to charity. This follows Kansas City quarterback Patrick Mahomes and his last release that he was doing around NFTs as well, donating those proceeds to charity. So that's a quick rundown of what's happening in blockchain and crypto today. I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Make sure you check me out on Twitter for today's news and more news all around the industry of what's happening around blockchain and cryptocurrency. And with that, again, join us here in just a few minutes on VCTV as we'll bring investors from around the world to break all of this down for you, what you need to pay attention to, what you need to start studying, and then also where to start investing and building as well. With that, we'll see you back here in just a few minutes. Everyone have a great day.